Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. The result is superior performance throughout the life cycle of your equipment, performance that puts you ahead of the competition. Here we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the standard Alfa Laval TJ40G rotary jet head using our service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. Timely replacement of wear parts prevents costly damage. Follow the instruction manual regarding maintenance intervals and the use of service kits. Remember, always read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure you cover all maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. To maintain the Alfa Laval TJ40G rotary jet head, these tools are required. Each Alfa Laval service kit contains all the spare parts you need. How to replace parts using a major service kit. Start by removing the bushing from the planet gear frame. Then remove the planet gears. Please note that the two planet gear wheels are different. One of the wheels has teeth where the upper and lower gears are aligned. The other wheel features a displaceable gear tooth sequence, where the teeth are displaced by half a tooth. Position the planet gears on each planet gear shaft. Mount the planet gear bushing on top of the planet gear frame. Use the impeller shaft to apply pressure to the planet gear bushing. Next, remove the O-ring from the guide. Remove the bearing from the guide using a drift punch. Insert the bearing for the top of the turbine shaft into the guide and press in the bearing. Insert the O-ring on top of the guide. Remove the O-rings from the nozzles. Check nozzles for foreign material. Mount the O-rings into the groove on the nozzles. Now remove the hub nut from the hub. Remove the ball retainer with balls from the hub. Remove the ball race, if worn, from the hub using a drift punch to pry it loose. Mount the ball race on the hub using a support ring. Please see the instruction manual for details about the support ring. Press the ball race and the hub together in a bench vise. Check that the ball race is fitted correctly. Now, put the ball retainer around the hub. Put the hub nut around the hub. Remove the O-rings from the stem. New O-rings will be mounted during the final steps of assembly. Remove the stem nut from the stem. Remove the ball retainer with balls from the stem. Remove the ball race, if worn, from the stem using a drift punch to pry it loose. Mount the ball race on the stem using a support ring. Press the ball race and the stem together in a bench vise. Check that the ball race is fitted correctly. Remove the bearing from the gearing using a drift punch. Mount the bearing for the body on the gear ring. Use a drift punch and a soft mallet to fit the bearing for the body. After insertion, make sure that the bottom of the bearing for the body is flush with the bottom of the gear ring.